Hello again. New research has just been released showing just how much cigarette smoke pollutes the air outside, where you'd normally think the smoke blows away. Take a look at this. On an ordinary footpath, the research found that more than 2 metres away from a smoker, there was 70% more fine pollution in the air. And if you're sitting next to a smoker, like at a bus stop, the level was 16 times higher than normal. With me now is researcher Associate Professor Nick Wilson from Otago University. Thank you for joining us this morning, Professor Wilson. Enjoyed seeing your piece on the news last night. Tell us, what does this say about what smoking in the streets does to, I guess, the people that aren't smoking?
Well, it is contributing to the air pollution problem, and that is a concern because we know these fine particulates are a cause of lung disease and also heart disease. So it just adds to the arguments for moving towards smoke-free streets in shopping areas and big cities. And there's a range of other reasons why councils may want to move that way, such as reducing cigarette butt litter and improving the image of their city. Quite a range of reasons, but this is looking at the health reason.
How much pollution are we actually talking here? Can you give us a comparative example, say, to car exhaust?
Well, in this study we did look at car exhaust, and the pollution around smokers from the secondhand smoke was around double that from the car exhaust next to busy rush hour traffic. So it's substantially higher than that from rush hour traffic.
This also kind of extends to businesses like your cafes and restaurants who are smoke-free inside, but then just outside the door people can smoke. And there's a concern, isn't there, from this, that second-hand smoke could really be affecting the likes of waiters and waitresses here?
Definitely. That particular group has one of the highest levels of exposure to secondhand smoke, and we've done other studies that has measured the air quality in those outdoor smoking areas, and because they're often semi-enclosed, there's actually a lot of trapped smoke in there. So those bar workers and restaurant workers will often be exposed to quite hazardous levels that will be affecting their health. And we've seen around the world other studies showing that when those areas are properly smoke-free, the health of those workers improves.
Because we're talking primarily about health here, but I know in your study you've also delved into the other benefits of having, you know, the city streets smoke-free. Can you just go through those? Well,
definitely a large proportion of litter in cities is from cigarette smoking, particularly cigarette butts, but also packs. There's also the issue of the nuisance issue for other pedestrians walking behind smokers. There's the public image issue that overseas we've seen that when cities have smoke-free shopping areas, it improves the image and sort of general feel of those areas. And I guess as New Zealand moves towards a smoke-free 2025 goal, this is helping to denormalise smoking and get it out of the view of children and other people.
Well, Nick Wilson, thank you very much for joining us this morning. And as you say, it's just more data, I guess, adding to that smoke-free debate.